Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Yammer for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 22. Create a new community. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this company works with a business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on all applications. Now go to all apps, scroll to the bottom of the screen, go to explore all your applications. Now go to Yammer. Now let's just wait for this to load. Once that has loaded, go to the left hand side navigation menu where we see My Communities. We already have all company. Now let's create a brand new community. Name your community Computer Science Videos. Describe this community to others. Let's just say social media. Members, myself, and the admin. If we were to have more staff members, we would or could add them to this community if we wish to. We can also edit the settings. Public, anyone in your network can view and join this community, or we can have it private. Only approved community members can view or participate. For this tutorial and for this moment, we will leave it public. In the near future, if we wish to categorize communities by a subject and then have the specific staff members catered towards that community, we could then move to see what needs to be public or private. But in the meantime, let's just now click on create. And this community has now been created. If I go back to admin, or go back to home feed. Now if we look on the left hand side again where we have My Communities, we have all company and Computer Science Videos, and so everything that we have done across the last 20 odd playlists, we can now redo that all here, whether it's posting a discussion, question, praise, a poll, uploading files, responding to messages and whatnot. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.